get asked about this all the time. I'm so glad you're bringing this up.
Yeah, so it was weird because it hit 8, came all the way back down to 7 after earnings. Then the next day, unsolicited, made a move back to 8, and I had a bunch of calls, and it was trading above 8, and I knew I was going to get exercised because it was Friday, and I was like, screw it. I'll just it looks so good, and so I let all my calls get hit to the point where I created a massive margin call on Monday. And then I couldn't, and like, so Monday I actually didn't trade, and my wife's like, why aren't you trading? And I was like, oh, I just got so much stock that it won't let me do anything until I sell some of it. I don't want to sell it. But then it just kind of hung around, and I wanted the money for other stuff, so I sold it. But SoundHound, if it gets back above 8, I think it could go for a ride. I don't know.
I think you're exactly right. 13, didn't we look at this chart?
Oh, 8. Remember how Anne-Marie yesterday we talked about 8 specifically with this one?
Yep.
Because we were looking at, I think it was the May 14th, 2025 candle. I might be wrong about that, but I think, no, that's not it. There was one particular candle where it was getting resistance at 8. And we finally moved through it. Maybe it wasn't SoundHound we were talking about, but I thought 8 was the one we were talking about with SoundHound. I could be wrong about that, but
I mean, dude, the candle from Friday. Maybe we're getting the dates mixed up here.
No, it's a different ticker we were talking about.
Okay, well, this thing was battling 8 Thursday and Friday of last week. So
okay, I mean, just looking at the chart here, about to get a silver cross, and yeah, it looks like 8 is a big resistance area right now because it was a former support area back in June, before we lost that level. So here we are trying to get back up into that area. And I think that's probably what everybody's seeing here, is that we're getting that resistance from that same previous support level.